Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm doing another cooking video. Wow! Ain't that interesting? Today we're making a grilled cheese sandwich, but with bacon. I know. It's gonna be great. First off, our first item here, of course, some cheese. I went to the store to go buy some, and there was really not much. So I just used what I had at home. Of course, then we got some butter. Once again, I bought at the store. Some bread, beautifully natural, grown straight from the tree. I picked just the best slices of bread there. Oh yeah, those ones look pretty good. And of course some bacon, but don't worry vegans, this is totally natural, grown from the ground. No poor animals suffered from this, I swear. Ah, look at it in its glory. Straight from the ground. Ah, looks so fresh. Mwah. So yeah, time to cook it up. Totally organic, naturally grown, underground, not from an animal. Bacon. Cook it up. Having a difficult time. I've got quite a few slices in here. It's looking pretty good, I think. Now it's mixing it around. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Oh. Oh yeah, mixing that around. That looks pretty good, I think. A lot of grease. Hoo-wee. Alright, time to butter the bread. Oh yeah, one of the messiest parts, of course. Oh yeah, and the cheese, and we're gonna put some bacon on there. Oh yeah, that looks good. And now, another slice of cheese right on top. There you go. Oh, yeah. That looks pretty good. Of course, the butter, the next slice. Now, something that's a little controversial is squishing down your grilled cheese sandwich. I don't get why people get so upset about it, so I apologize for those who do not like that. But I think it's a little nicer having it smushed. I don't know why. It's just how I always liked it. Perhaps it's something to do with how cooking it, pushing it down makes the most outer side cook faster and the inside doesn't, or something. I don't know. I just don't understand. But these are pretty thick sandwiches here, so it gets a little difficult to flip them the first time like that. Alright, now let's play a little hockey with our little sandwich here. I don't understand what I'm really doing. Just pushing it back and forth. There we go. Okay, that looks good. Alright, now time has passed. Let's flip it. Alright, oh no! Oh, Houston! We got a problem! Oh no! The bacon! Oh, everything's spinning! Oh god! Okay, we gotta do a little open surgery here. Okay, we have to insert it. Oh goodness. Well, okay. We gotta push it in. There we go. Alright. Crisis averted. We are all good. Alright. Back to it. The outside of it, the rim, is a little burnt, I see. Perhaps that's due to squishing it, maybe? I'm not really sure. Flip back to the other side. There we go. That looks pretty good, I think. Oh yeah, that's good. That's real good. Alright, now we got the grilled cheeses all done. Oh yeah. Oh, look at those beauties. Not the most perfect. Grilled cheeses aren't the prettiest, but man, they are delicious. Alright, time to go into my little office. Totally not just some gaming room. Time to watch a YouTube video. Brandon Rogers, he's a great guy. He makes really funny content. Really raunchy, but man, it's funny. And also, I am doing a editing contest for Mr.wobbles right here. He's a pretty cool dude. I'm editing this on Hit Films Express, the free version. It was really funny watching the live stream though of him reviewing the edits, because the previous one shown before mine was exactly just like mine, but a lot better.
Yeah, this is a really bad video to watch right after we watch Bueller, because now it's like, this is exactly what you just said. It's the same exact video, but less edited. Which with stream moments, like literally it just shit post videos. You just have to make them look nice and fucking work. You have to make what's happening apparent, you know? Like, I haven't seen one edit. This is so weird how... Okay, but let's see how you end it. So this is literally... This is exactly Bueller's video to this point. Like, I think it's the same timeline.
No, pick.
Like, I'm just as weirded out as you are, Bueller. Like, I have no fucking clue. No one's seen your video, like, besides me. But again, good ideas, Prince. You edit it exactly how I probably would have, so...
Thank you, Mr. Wobbles, for the criticism and watching my video. It is way too funny that both of those videos are very similar. My video was pretty simple. I only edited it for one day, and I didn't put too much effort into it because I didn't really want the job, because I don't think I'm really qualified for it. But I thought it would have been a lot of fun, so that's why I made that video. Alright, enough with that. Let's try the sandwich. Even though it's been like 2 months since I recorded this, I'm talking over this video, editing it right now. The sandwich, from what I remember, was pretty good. Tasted pretty great. I ate both of them. Oh, look at that bacon. It's hanging there. Look at the insides. Yeah, that's real. That's tasty. I ate both sandwiches, which I regret. I only should have ate one. And I felt kind of a little sick afterwards eating it. I think it was just a little too greasy for me. That's it for this cooking video. Very simple, nothing special. Someday I'll actually might do something interesting. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one, whatever that is.